Hello. Welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host, who is Tara Wells. Today's video is going to be a makeup review testing tutorial video. I know that you guys do like these. I haven't bought a Poundland makeup one haul for a little while. I know you guys like them as well, but I am trying to give you the reviews of the stuff I have bought, like from Home Bargains or Poundland, etc. Yeah, I can't give you the hauls unfortunately because there's not many products at the moment. There's like sparse. Hopefully in the middle of the year for 2023 there will be some more products, but like I said, we're going to get into the video in a moment and I'll show you the product. And this one's quite a good one for the fact of how much money I got it for, and it's normally really expensive. Any ado, let's go through the nitty gritty stuff first, which is if you like the video, the product, the advice, anything in the video, then let me know by giving it a massive thumbs up. It tells me what you like, it tells me what you want to see for future videos, yeah, and then other people can like it, other people can see it, and the video go around. So yeah, definitely smash that thumbs up button. Please subscribe to tazwells12, go on my main page, there's a subscribe button up the top. Hit that, then you will be part of my YouTube channel journey and the little love family. And if you could also hit the bell notification, and that will notify you of when the newest video has been uploaded. Click the share button down below and you can share that with your friends and family if they think that they like this product or they might need it for occasion or something like that. Just share it to them so they can see, and then maybe they can join the tazwells12 little love family too. Comment down below on the video if you have any suggestions, feedback, whatever you would like to comment on. Let me know and I will 100% comment back to you and like your comment every single time. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands that I will or do mention. It's just out of my own money, what I went in like certain places to find and have a look shopping, and I thought, you know what, actually I might like that as general, or you guys might like it as video. So yeah, it's not sponsored at all, it's just an advice video. Check out my two accounts on Instagram, so you have tazwells12 and tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do please, that'd be great. Now we will get on into the makeup review testing tutorial video. The product that we're going to review today is this little liquid lipstick that I've got from CIATE. I did get these a little while ago. I have done about 2 colours. I got 4 in total. I've got this one and another one to review. I thought, you know what, instead of doing them in one video, I won't have enough time to like wipe it off and make my lips sore. It's not good. So I thought, you know what, individually do a video for each colour, which is always great. This actually I got out of Poundland for just £1. That is absolutely crazy because I've seen CIATE lipsticks in TK Maxx for at least £4. You're saving a little bit of thing. There was quite a few nice natural colours, and then I saw this dark brown. I thought, you know what, I will pick that up. I think there was a blue at one point as well. I did not pick that up. It was not my forte, but if you need like a fancy dress or anything, that'd be really good for you. Like I said, this is the CIATE London makeup. I don't know what these originally go for when CIATE was selling them. I have no clue. This is a liquid velvet matte liquid lipstick, and there is 6.5 milliliters in here. It does have at CIATE London, which is Instagram, Facebook and Instagram, and it has Pretty Fun Fearless. And it says, take your matte lip colour from coffee to cocktails with liquid velvet liquid lipstick. Apply 1 coat of the colour for last long in high pigment pucker perfection. And this is in the colour Obsession at the top there. Very, very nice packaging, love it. And then if I open it up, this is the colour we're going to do. So it's a nice autumny colour brown, or like where that period of like winter going into summer. Yeah, nice winter autumn colour. I'm not 100% sure on brown lipsticks. When they're on my lips, they don't look great. And you're probably thinking, well, why did you buy it? Well, I bought it because I really do want to wear a brown lipstick at some point when you get like a nice white jumper on or cream jumper and then you've got brown lip. It looks very nice with a brown, like a nice bronzy brown eye. It looks very nice. And if you're going out and you want just a brown nice look and then like white and blacks, very lovely. So that's why I kind of get these. I have tried a few brown lipsticks before and it's not gone exactly how I want it, but we are going to try this one and see what it's like. But before we get and try that, I am just going to pin my hair up and then we can get... So I've took my glasses off because I need to put them on, put them off. I've got a headache and I need to try and ease my eyes a little bit, as you probably can see. A little bit gazy. But I like having a clear face when we're doing a product. So I'm going to come as close as possible and we're going to lip line lips first. So I'm going to do that. I've got a whole basket here of like different ones. I think we're going to go with a Primark one because they seem to be quite the best. Have got Toast, which is quite good. I've got Toffee. So I think one of these is going to go with this better. In my opinion, looking at that, I think it's going to be Toffee, which is that. If you've never tried Primark lip liners, they were only £1. I think they may have gone up, I don't know. They may be like £1.50 or something now, I can't remember. Some of them are £1.50, some of them are £1. They look really good, like you'll see in a minute. So I'm going to come as close as possible. I'm going to do a time lapse of this and you can see how it works. That is the shade of Toffee, which you see how easy that did. I did overline my lips at the top. I've got like a really Cupid's bow, but I like it like a sort of roundy sort of application, as they say. Just to overline my lips, which I kind of like doing sometimes. And I think all you have to do is like maybe this dark brown because yeah, it might think. But I think that's a really good like colour match. If you ever want a lip liner, go to Primark, because Primark have like loads of different ones. Most of them that I've got are from Primark. I'm going to open this liquid lipstick. We're going to do like the kiss test at the end, so I do it like on the back of my hand. It's brand new, I've just rubbed it on the side. You can see like how good this is as a product. So I'll probably give it like a little time to dry and then we can see, because it's quite dark. I'm just going to go bottom lip first, like I always do, because my bottom lip is the furthest. Oh, it's very dark. It's a lot more darker than I thought it was going to be. I don't know if it's got a like funny, it's got a bit of a chemically smell to it. It's not got like a lovely, you know, like normally like a toffee taste or anything like that. It's very weird. I'm definitely glad I put the lip liner on, because this is a lot more darker than I thought it was going to be. So now we're going to top. We can like outline lip liner. So the lip liner kind of gives you a good outline. Feels really creamy. It shocked me, it is a lot more darker. Like, it looks vampy, doesn't it? Like, it's literally took all the colour out by my face, which is not a bad thing, but you just got to be very, very careful with that, because I did not know it was going to come out that dark. Like, that to that is a different colour of brown, isn't it, really? I'm just gonna go off. I might fan this down a little bit and see if it dries, and then we can do like the kiss test and we'll go from there. Just took my hair down because it was freaking me out a little bit, the fact that I had an egg head and then I had a really dark lip. I have fanned this down for about 5 minutes. I could feel it going a little bit tighter, which is what you need, but it's still very movable and creamy in my opinion. I can feel my lips. Let's do the kiss on the back of the hand and we'll see what we get off, because none of it's like transferred to my teeth, so that's fine. Oh, okay, right. Where is the liquid lipstick at? Because that has come off of my hand, which is not the greatest. Is not the greatest. But the other good thing is there's no colour come off, which is quite good. Like, there's still quite a big bit of colour on there, which is nice. You just would have to be careful if you went out for a night out. You might get a little bit on your teeth. You would have to let it like settle into your lips. Maybe not to put on as much, because I did put on quite a bit. But there's loads of good things about it, to be fair. The colour, I'm not 100% sure about. I think it looks better now. I've put it down. But you can imagine if I had like a nice brown eye and a bit more bronzer, I think it looked really nice. Like, I'm not over mad with it, if that makes sense. Let's do a verdict on it. My verdict on the CIATE London Liquid Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick in Obsession is a maybe. Why it's a maybe is because it's like a top maybe, if that makes sense. Like, I've kind of got used to the colour now. Like, looking back at it, like now with my fringe down, it would look so much better. But also, if I had like that like that bronzy eye, a bit of bronzer on the cheeks and stuff, and like did it like pretty nice to go out, a cream jumper or something like that, I think this could work. Even with the black is working. That's why it's like a top maybe, which is not a bad thing. It's very comfortable on the lips. The colour is very, very nice. Like, if you had more of like a tanned, like natural olive skin, I think this look really lovely on you. There's some really good things about it. The only bad thing about it is it's not a liquid lipstick. It's definitely not, because that has come off of my hands. I put quite a good amount on it. It's saying just go over one coat. I definitely could not go over with just one coat with this. I could not. It wouldn't work. I have to like draw it in and stuff like that. It's definitely worth it using the lip liner. The lip liner gives me a good outline. There is no sort of like, maybe a little bit here, but like there's no sort of bleeding of the lips, so that's a really good sign as well. So there's some really good things about it. So I'm gonna give it a top maybe. Unfortunately, we have come to the end of makeup review testing tutorial video on the CIATE London Liquid Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick in Obsession, and I give it a high maybe. This will be a keepable. I will keep it. There's some I've tried before and I'm like, nope, didn't like it, didn't like how it felt or anything. So there is some top ones in here. My verdict. So yeah, it's a top maybe, and I'm going to keep it. Like I said, this has unfortunately come to the end of the video. If you like the product, the review, how I showed you how to put it on, the lip liner advice, let me know by giving it a massive thumbs up. Smash that thumbs up. It tells me what you like, tells me what you want to see. Other people like it, other people will see it, and there will go around the video, so all good. So give it a massive smash up. Come and subscribe to tazwells12 by hitting the subscribe button on my main page. The bell notification if you want to be notified of when a new video is coming out. Click the share button down below and share to your friends and family. Comment down below on the video on any feedback or any suggestions, let me know. and I will 100% comment back to you and like your comment every single time. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands that I have mentioned in this video. It's just an advice video for you guys, what I thought was in Poundland and was good at the time. An advice video for you guys, so no sponsored ad at all. Check out my 2 accounts on Instagram, which is tazwells12, tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting as always. I hope you have a lovely day or lovely evening, and I'll see you soon. Sorry about the dog barking, but yeah, unfortunately that's happened. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope I've given you good advice about the lipstick. So thank you, have a lovely evening or day, whatever you're doing, and I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.